Brass Eagle Adventure Team and the Savage Island. We now continue the adventure.
During World War II, the U.S. claimed the island to prevent Japanese forces from using the island. After World War II, U.S. restricted access to the island. Five weeks ago, a group of scientists were granted permission to explore Kraken. 3 days after the scientists landed on the island, communication was cut off. Every effort to contact the group has been unsuccessful. We have been asked if we could help find the lost expedition members. The assignment is, land on the island, find the lost members, and get everyone home safely. Any questions?
Sounds like you have covered everything.
Good. Con and Lee will meet you at the helicopter. Your flight leaves in an hour. Take care, and please, be careful.
We will.
Thanks, JC.
You're welcome.
And now some bonus content.
Hi, I'm JC. I'm the operations commander for the Brass Eagle Adventure Team. My role is to coordinate operations in the field. I can perform this task from our Operations Command Center here at Brass Eagle Adventure Team Headquarters. Ian and Jennifer Wolf are the intelligence directors. They gather information that will be essential to an assignment. Kim and David are the research and communication officers. They provide research for assignments. They also direct incoming communications to the proper departments. Thank you for joining me on this tour of Operations Command Center. Please enjoy your day.
To be continued, join us next week as we continue the adventure. Please like, comment, and share. If you are not subscribed, please consider subscribing. We would really appreciate it. Don't forget to collect, inspire, and create. See you in the next video.